Hello everyone. Welcome to the course of Internet of Things, in short IoT. In today's class, we are going to learn a concept of how IoT is implemented into the retail industry. So, coming to the retail market, we have lot of technologies integrated into that particular retail industries, like adding cloud, connecting to the mobile devices, using radio frequency identification devices like RFID tags and readers for the inventory management, which helps in making the shopping better to the customers. So almost 70% and above retailers are very much confident by implementing this kind of IoT, and they also want much more better experience using this IoT in the further future. So coming to the role of IoT in the retail market, we have different types of devices, we have different types of sensors and GPS for tracking the vehicles. We have radio frequency identification devices like barcode scanners or the RFID readers in order to detect the data of that particular inventory or to detect the vehicles using global positioning system, whatnot. So this particular retail market job has been very much made very much easy when this particular Internet of Things has been implemented. So let's see some of the scenarios. So one thing is the data collection and sharing. So with the help of barcode readers or the RFID tags, the inventory data can be easily collected and can be shared over the uh, particular cloud or to a system, or even for an customer phone, where the customer can open that particular bill and track the status of that particular product, or you can also get that particular details. And coming to the process automation, whenever this IoT has been enabled to this particular sector, the process automation has been very much precise and the performance or the efficiency has been increased a lot. So which making the customer or the seller feels comfortable in this particular process. So the automation is very much fast compared to the conventional method. Now, let's see some of the benefits of IoT in the retail. So we have a diagram over here. So if you see the benefits of IoT in retail, we have supply chain optimization, so improved customer experience, layout optimization, as well as inventory management. Coming to the supply chain management, we have RFID tags and readers, and we have GPS technologies. Where they can be integrated to the warehouses or vehicles or the inventory, where it can fetch the real-time data whenever needed by the particular management systems. Coming to the enhanced customer experience. So we have a lot of sensors or wireless technologies like Bluetooth or beacons, through which the customer can receive or receive the alerts regarding the inventory or their billing details and everything. So compared to the conventional method, the customer experience has been very much increased with the help of IoT device, and they can also send the feedback to the particular merchants through which they have bought that particular product. Okay. And coming to the layout optimization, so we have uh, a lot of layout optimization through which the in-store layout can be improved. Okay. And they have also used several different types of algorithms to make this layout optimization much more efficient. And coming to the most popular one, efficient inventory management. So as in retail sector, the goods get imported and exported based on this particular buyer and seller mechanism. So we have several RFID chips or the RFID tags and readers or the barcode scanners which are integrated to different types of sensors, through which the price tags, we have a smart price tags which displays that particular amount, where once you scan that, automatically the billing can be done. So we have an efficient inventory management system as well. So let's see some of the use cases of this particular IoT in the real time or the retail industries. So coming to the use cases, we have, let's see a quick thing. So we have smart shelves where the inventory has been managed, and once, let us say, once the customer picks up that particular product, okay, the a notification will be sent, or the time to time monitoring will be done through a wireless mechanism or an IoT device, such that the whoever is selling, the vendors will uh, can observe or feel that there is the particular shelf is empty. Okay, so we have a cold chain monitoring, product placement, repairs and maintenance sensors. We have in-store navigation. We have checkout automation. We also have the buyer behavior uh, tracking. Everything. All these kinds of features can be integrated to the retail industry when this IoT is applicable to. So these are the some of the uses of things. So we have, as I told, we have navigation, smart shelves, okay, product placement, buyer behavior tracking. All these are the added advantage. Checkout automation, okay. So all this you regularly see in the supermarkets and all those things, okay, or the e-commerce sites. Everything is possible only with the help of this particular IoT integrated to these particular retail concepts, okay.